Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Budweiser N10 on the RCI 69 Base Plus. Budweiser got it ready to go, fully modded out. High cut filter, wideband transmit receive, clarifier mod, tuning alignment, Toshiba regulator, etc., etc. Start the arc power all the way down, 100 watt slug, 3 watts all the way down as usual, 30 all the way up. So your average power swing, low, 60 bird, 250 watt slug and peak, low, at 126. All right, Mr. Budweiser, we're going to get it out to you. I appreciate it once again. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.